Today we will discuss question number 13. Very important question. Many people ask, why do some people suffer so much in this world, especially the people, those who are innocent, such as children? The answer is given in video number 13. This is a challenging issue for all the religion that proclaim a belief in one God, who is at once omnipotent and beneficent. We believe that Allah tries people in different ways, through both hardship and easiness. While the cause of suffering is not always evident, the way the people respond to difficulty is a test of their moral fiber. Responding to the hardship with patience and fortitude is a virtue for which we believe a great reward is promised by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in this life as well as the life after. Additionally, there will be a silver lining behind every difficulty. For instance, major disasters often bring out the best in the people, inspiring them to perform remarkable acts as they respond to their own or others' hardship with compassion and courage, and come to aid of those who are in great need. Remember that Allah is not wicked. In reality, Allah loves human beings more than 70 mothers love. This has been told to us by Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Lastly, Muslims always take comfort in their belief that the life does not end after death, and every difficulty faced in this life will wipe away our sin in the Akhirah. Thank you.